I guess, parking for bikes. I wish every place in Manila is like this. But then of course hindi pwede kasi kailangan ng capital. Ciao. Grabe. So all malls. Pagka nag-cross pa tayo sa main road, yun ang going to Pony High Street. Ito the uptown side to. So maybe later or tomorrow we'll explore it. Got to believe. Panalo. Yung mga bus stops pala yun. Mga BGC bus stops. So may mga nakapila that goes around siguro. Okay, that's the main road and then that's BGC area, High Street. Parang mini football field dito. Parang naglalaro ngayon. So further that may SNR doon sa main road. Hindi itong building na may mga puno sa sides. Manila Paddle Club. Cute. Really irresponsible joggers. Yung naka-red, diretso pa rin siya. Ano yun, may momentum niya eh. Momentum nga, tapos madisgrasya naman siya. Yung mama, kanina doon sa isang street, dire-diretso siya. Siya mo rin. Siyempre yan, di niya pwedeng anuhin na yan. Create na siya rin mag-stop ako. Nainisan kasi yung momentum niya na nabitin. Ay gusto mo yung buhay mo mabitin, kuya. So, 32nd Street eh. Yan yung BCS dito kasi main street yan. So, we're crossing lang. There's an open parking here surrounded by buildings. Sooner or later magiging na rin yan, building site. Ito na tayo sa may High Street area. That's yung nila BGC. There's a park here. Dito tayo. Tapos ay, nauubo na kasi damig ng aircon. Nauubo na. That's the park. Parang masarap na mag-charge dyan. Parking tayo. Hanapin ko na entrance. Siguro dun sa dulo. High Street area na tayo. So may amphitheater kung saan yung mga shows. So we had our shows also for trumpets and lineworks. Prac 30th. Open daily 6 AM to 10 PM. Okay, let's go inside. Tapos yung ano to, pwede kang you do your legworks, mga exercises here. Your stretching and yung mga bars. That's good nice. You park your bikes there. Rack and block. Nice. Across. Couple. Spartan. Hindi na ako mag-ambition sa Spartan kasi okay na ako sa ganito. Basta fit tayo and healthy. Ano lang tummy. Happy with that. Alam mo na yung rubber tree pala to. Naka 1 round na tayo. Another siguro or I'll transfer na. We'll see. I'm wondering yung piles na to. Paano ko ito tuloy? Yes. Alright. That's a high stake already. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. That's where I end this vlog. Sumpay Adidas. Onitsuka Tiger. Uniqlo. Yorens. So nag-renovate sila. So sa Bonifacio Heist 100 amphitheater. Yung first few dito commercial structures itong high street na to. Rocks na yan, recreational outdoor exchange. That's where you can get yung mga pang-camping nyo. See also Bonifacio High Street. Cute ng flowers. Ilaw-ilaw. We had our show din dito before. Charana. Beautiful flowers. Shouldn't we water to pag the kids are later, more hours. And the amphitheater is there across Shangri-La Ascot and dyan na lahat. So where do we go? Let's go here. Serendra is there sa dulo. There's a huge rubber tree. Doctrines. And then sa kabila alam na yan. Ganda na. Yung mga installations din dito. Okay. Time zone. Yung first yata first plane is here. Yun doon. I think yun dito sa Manila. Ito sa may amphitheater siguro. Maybe that's it for now. We'll see you again. Takbo muna. Sunny sky. Ciao, ciao. See ya. Bush. Actually, amphitheater. We did Christmas carol here for 9 works. It shows for trumpets here. Events. For Harana. POC. Etc. Others. Coffee shop. Yung Christmas coffee shop in the center. May glass doors and panels. Ang bango-bango na coffee. Beaches. Beachy clef pa. Kung na stretching. Rise and slay. Ito ng bench. Ito. This bench ito. We're done with our stretching sakto. Thank you. And then it's about to rain. Ito. Thank you. Thank you, Pauline. Ciao. Takbo na! It's raining. It's raining. Cats and dogs out. There's cat. There's a cat. What did I? Let's go. Gentle monster. Shangri-La Makati. Shangri-La GC. Just wait. Ayaw maligo sa ulan. Maubo na nga ako eh. Pero pwede naman kung mag-shower tayo din agad. was saying, sabi ko, on Sundays, they close this stretch for activities. We had our Easter show din dyan before. Trumpets. Let's go. Wala na. Parang ako, okay lang mapasa, pero yung phone ko pala dala ko. So kung yesterday to, hindi ko dala yung phone ko, nakaligo ako the other day. But then now,